for us, Dragonboat is our central source of truth when it comes to our planning process. And so with having that central source of truth, we have an opportunity to do one of the things that is just, it's central to sort of me and how I like to operate. It's that do your best work and hold it with open hands. And so what that looks like is we work really hard to make sure that we're understanding the business problems, that we're prioritizing things, that we're understanding the levels of effort for engineering, and so that we then put that into a proposal for a roadmap that we're then going to then take and shop around with all of those levels. And by doing all of that homework and then holding it with open hands, it gives us an opportunity to say, so based on our analysis, here's what we think are the biggest problems that we need to be solving, but what do you think? Did we get this right? Is this moving in the right direction? Are we driving towards the right outcomes? Or are we building something where you're like, hey, that looks good, but people are never going to use that feature, and let me explain why. And so all of this sort of product management and product manager sort of transition from a mindset perspective, all of the work that we're doing here to kind of build this virtuous cycle, it really falls down for us, or for what I have seen, if you don't then have that relationship where you can say, well, here's my research, what do you think? And so having an easy way for people to digest that is one of the things that has been key for us. And then we're also using it from a go-to-market launch standpoint to make sure that as we're partnering with marketing and sales enablement and customer success and others, that they have a central source of truth that they can look to as well to see, not only sort of what is coming up from a long-term perspective, but then what are we working on right now that we are going to ship